Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic the sphere. Here in the question, prove that the center of the spheres which touch the lines y is equal to plus minus mx and z is equal to plus minus c lie on the surface mxy plus cz bracket 1 plus m square is equal to 0. We have to prove this when the lines are touching the sphere. Let's solve the problem. Given lines are, that is y is equal to mx and y is equal to minus of mx. Here is the plus minus mx. This is the equation 1, and the second line is given by, that is z is equal to c and z is equal to minus of c. This is the second line. And equation of a sphere touch the lines, that is equation of a sphere touching the lines are x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Let this equation third. If the plane z is equal to c meets the sphere, then we have to put z in place of z is equal to c in the equation third, that is x square plus y square. In place of z we have to put c, that is c square is plus of 2ux and plus of 2vy plus of 2wc. We have to put z is equal to c plus d is equal to 0. We can also write, that is x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wc plus d, and c square is in last, that is c square is equal to 0. Let this is equation fourth. And also the lines y is equal to mx that passes through the equation 4. We have to put in place of y we have to put y is equal to mx in equation 4, that is x square plus in place of y we have to put mx, that is m square x square plus of 2ux and plus of 2vmx and plus of 2wc and plus of d and plus of c square is equal to 0. We have to arrange the above equation. We have to arrange, that is taking from here x square is common, that is 1 plus m square, and from here we have to take a common of 2x, that is plus of 2x, and from here is remaining is u, and u plus here is remaining is vm, and from here we have to write, that is plus of 2wc and plus of d and plus of c square is equal to 0. This is equation fifth. Once again, third, fourth, this is fifth. Fourth, this is fifth equation. And we have to know the equation 5 in a quadratic quadratic form. So we have to in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the lines meet the lines y is equal to plus mx and z is equal to c, then the line in the quadratic form we have to write in the quotient form, that is the roots of the equation is given by b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and we can also write that is b square is equal to 4ac. From here, if the line meets the equation fifth in quadratic form, we have to write the roots of the equation are given by b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And in other words, if the equation are quadratic forms, then the discriminant of the equation is equal to 0. This is also called discriminant of the in the quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the equation is given in the form, we have to also call b square minus 4ac is discriminant, and we have to find the value, that is the coefficient of b square is here, that is b square is 2, coefficient of x is 2u plus vm, that is 2u plus vm का whole square is equal to 4, and coefficient of a is, that is 1 plus m square, and coefficient of c is, that is this is c 2wc plus d plus of c square. We have to further solve. That is on squaring, that is 4 u plus vm का whole square is equal to, here is 4 1 plus m square and 2wc plus of d plus of c square. From here 4 to 4 is cancelled out, then the remaining is u plus vm का whole square is equal to 1 plus m square and the another bracket 2wc plus d plus c square. Let this is equation 6. Similarly, we have to also write for the equation when we have to put y is equal to minus of mx and z is equal to minus of c. Then we have to similarly when y is equal to minus of mx and z is equal to minus of c, satisfy the following equation, then we have to also write in place of m we have to write minus m, and in place of z we have to write, no, in place of c we have to write minus of c. Then u minus we can also write, that is u minus vm का square is equal to, and from here that is 1 plus m square, and from here that is minus of 2wc, in place of c we have to put minus c plus of d, and here is in place of c we have to put minus c, that is plus c square. This is equation 6. 7 subtracting question 7 to 6, we get subtracting left hand to side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. That is on subtracting, that is equation u minus vm का whole square minus of equation 6 is u plus vm का whole square is equal to, in the right hand side of equation 7 is 1 plus m square, and another bracket is minus of 2wc and plus of d and plus of c square minus of 1 plus m square and 2wc plus of d and plus of c square. Further we have to solve on opening a minus b का whole square, that is u square plus v square plus m square minus of 2uvm, and we can also expand the u square plus v square m square plus 2uvm, and from here take 1 plus m square is common, and the remaining is minus of 2wc plus of d plus of c square, and here is minus of 2wc and minus of d and minus of c square. From here c square to c square is cancelled out and d 2 plus d is cancelled, and the remaining is 1 plus m का 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square, and here is minus of 2wc and minus of 2wc, that is minus of 4wc, and from here that is u square plus v square plus m is u square plus v square m square minus of 2uvm, and minus is taken into bracket, that is minus u square minus v square m square and minus of 2uvm, and from here that is plus of v square m square and minus of v square m square is cancelled out, plus of u square and minus of u square is cancelled out, and the remaining is minus of 2uvm and minus of 2uvm, that is minus of 4uvm is equal to, here is 1 plus m square and minus of 4wc. From here 4 to 4 is cancelled out, minus 4 to minus 4 is cancelled out, then the remaining is uvm is equal to 1 plus m square into wc. Let this equation 8 let the center of a sphere is given by x dash is equal to minus of u and y dash is equal to minus of v and z dash is equal to minus of w, and we can also write that is u is equal to minus of x dash and v is equal to minus of y dash and w is equal to minus of z dash. Further we have to put the value of u, v, w in equation 8, that is in place of uv we have to put minus of x dash into minus of y dash, and m is already present, is equal to 1 plus m square, and in place of w we have to put minus of z dash, that is minus of z dash into c. Further we have to solve, that is minus minus is plus, that is x dash y dash m is equal to 1 plus m square, and from here is we can also take minus of z dash c, and here we have to write also, we have to prove mxy plus cz and bracket 1 plus m square. We can also write that is, firstly we have to write m mx dash y dash is equal to taking minus of 1 plus m square and bracket z dash c into left hand side, that is plus of 1 plus m square and z dash c is equal to 0. Hence the locus of the above equation, replacing x dash y dash into x y and x replacing x dash y dash and z dash into x y z. So we have to write that is mxy plus of cz and 1 plus m square is equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given problem. We have to prove this mxy plus cz bracket 1 plus m square is equal to 0. Thank you class and thank you for watching.